Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this session we are going to discuss artificial intelligence alpha beta cutoff procedures where we will cover its introduction, benefits as well as some important uses. So now let's just start the session. So students, alpha beta cutoff procedure is nothing but it is a technique that is used in AI game playing algorithms to make decisions more efficient. In simple terms, we can call alpha beta cutoff as alpha beta pruning. Alright, so alpha beta pruning is nothing but it is an optimization technique used in AI, particularly in game playing algorithms like min-max search algorithms that we have discussed earlier in previous sessions. It helps AI make decisions faster. Okay, this is the major advantage of using alpha beta cutoff procedure because it helps AI make decision faster, by eliminating parts of the search tree that don't need to be considered just because they won't affect the outcome. All right, so as we have discussed earlier, such game-based algorithms are used to predict the possible future moves, right? Like games like chess, tic-tac-toe, etc. Now, as you can see here, we have some key concepts related to this particular topic. If we talk about alpha beta pruning, it helps by skipping the unnecessary moves that won't affect the final decision. So this is how alpha beta cutoff works, right? In simple terms, we can also say alpha beta pruning improves efficiency by two methods. The first method is your elimination of the branches. It eliminates the branches that cannot affect the final decision. Let's say if a branch is worse than the best option already found, then it is discarded without further exploration. Clear? And also students, ensuring the algorithm arrives at the same result as a full minimax evaluation but in less time. Now, next point that is very important for you is how alpha beta pruning works. So here as you can see, we have two values. First value is your alpha and another value is the beta value. Alpha says it is the best score that the okay, so alpha is nothing but it is the maximizer. As we have discussed in previous algorithm, min-max algorithm. So max is the maximizer there and here alpha is the maximizer and beta is the minimizer. Clear? So the best score that the AI, that is the maximizer, can guarantee so far, and beta is nothing but it is the best score that the opponent, that is the minimizer, can guarantee so far. Its key ideas may include if a move is found if a move is found any, let's say, chess game, it is worse for the maximizer than their current alpha, or it is worse for the minimizer than their current beta. So this is how alpha beta works. Right everyone, so as you can see here we have some important points like alpha beta can speed up the decision making process. It allows AI to analyze deeper levels of the game tree in the same amount of time. It is faster than min-max search algorithm and it does not affect the final decision and it gives the same result as regular min-max but in a faster way. Along with all these 3 points, we have one more benefit of using alpha beta pruning over min-max algorithm is its scalability. So this particular method is scalable. That means it makes AI practical for games with many possible moves. Other than this, students, we have 10 most updated benefits of using alpha beta cutoff in AI. The first benefit is its increased efficiency. Alpha beta pruning significantly reduces the number of nodes we have discussed earlier. It significantly reduces the number of nodes the algorithm needs to evaluate by speeding up decision making process. Another benefit is same results as minimax. Same results as minimax. The optimization does not alter the final decision and it produces the same result as traditional min-max algorithm but in a less time, right? Third advantage is its deeper search power. By saving time on unnecessary calculations, AI can explore deeper levels of the game tree, leading to more strategic and informed decisions. Another benefit is reduced computational cost. It's reduced computational cost, also known as simply RCC. By pruning, its name implies everything, right? It is what? Alpha beta cut off. That means we are cutting off the unnecessary नोड्स राइट इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड प्रूनिंग जैसे पेड़ों में ट्रीज में प्रूनिंग होती है अननेसेसरी ब्रांचेस को काट दिया जाता है सिमिलरली वैसे ही यहाँ पर होता है बाय प्रूनिंग irrelevant branches the computational resources like CPU and memory required are lower compared to exhaustive tree traversal. Another benefit we have already discussed is the scalability. Sixth benefit can be its better real-time performance. Better real-time performance. For games with time constraints like online chess, etc., alpha beta pruning ensures the AI can make decisions quickly without sacrificing the quality. We want decisions very quickly and we cannot compromise with the quality of the results, right? So this can be done only with alpha beta pruning. Next is focus on promising moves. Focus on promising moves means by eliminating poor branches earlier, the algorithm focuses on evaluating the most likely paths to success, improving its overall accuracy. Another is versatility. Alpha beta pruning can be applied to any adversarial search problems like games, like any decision making, etc. That makes it useful technique in AI. Next advantage I am writing here, that is it can easily support complex heuristics. The saved computation time can be used to implement more sophisticated evaluation functions, enhancing decision making quality. And the next advantage is improved AI competitiveness. In competitive settings of AI, alpha beta pruning allow AI to match or exceed human performance by analyzing moves faster and more deeply within the same time constraints. So all these are 10 most updated benefits of using alpha beta pruning in any game that you are using these days. So I hope students everything is clear till now. If you have any doubt, you can definitely comment below. I will help you. And In the next video, in the next chapter, I will share with you some other advantages as well as disadvantages of using alpha beta pruning with the help of some important MCQs that will surely help you get good marks in your examination. So till then, thank you so much everyone and I wish you all the very best.